Hi, in this video we are going to know how to print in HP DeskJet 2540 series printer. So let's see. First step is that you need to load paper. So make sure that output tray is open and make sure you have paper loaded in the input tray. To print a document, you need to follow the following steps. First one, from your software, click on print button. Second, make sure your printer is selected. Third, click on the button that opens the properties dialog box. Depending on the software application, this button might be also called properties or options or printer setup, printer properties, printer or preferences. To print on both sides of the page, we need to follow the following steps. First one, from your software, click on print button. Second, make sure your printer is selected. Third, click on button that opens the properties dialog box. Depending on the software application, as before, this button might be called properties, options, printer setup, printer properties, printer or preferences. Last step, select the appropriate option. Now we'll see how to print photos. To print photos, load photo paper first of all and follow the steps. First one, make sure the output tray is open. Second, remove all paper from the input tray and then load the photo paper with side to be printed on facing up. To print a photo on photo paper, first step will be on the file menu in your software, click on print. Second, make sure your printer is selected. Third, click on button that opens the properties dialog box, which is also known as the following names: properties, options, printer setup, printer properties, printer or preferences. Now we'll see how to print envelopes. You can load one or more envelopes into the input tray of the HP DeskJet 2540 series. Don't use cine or embossed envelopes or envelopes that have cracks on windows. Note, for specific details on how to format text for printing on envelopes, consult the help files in your Word application, which is depend on your Microsoft Word application which you are using. To load envelopes, you need to follow these steps, which is first one, make sure output tray is open. Second, slide the paper with guide all the way to the left. Third, place the envelopes in the right side of the tray. The side to be printed on should face up. Fourth, push the envelopes into the printer until they stop. Fifth, slide the paper with guide firmly against the edge of the envelopes. Now let's move to print using the maximum DPI. Use maximum dots per inch, which is full form of the DPI, to print high quality sharp images on photo paper. Printing in maximum DPI takes longer than printing with other settings and requires a large amount of disk space. To print in maximum DPI mode, you need to follow these settings. First one, on the file menu in your software, click print. Make sure your printer is selected. Third, click on button that opens the properties dialog box, which is also known as per the software application: properties, options, printer setup, printer properties, printer or preferences. Fourth step, click on paper quality tab. Fifth, from the media drop down list, must select photo paper best quality to enable printing in maximum DPI. Sixth, click on advanced button. Seventh, in the printer feature area, select yes from the print in max DPI drop down list. And eighth, select the appropriate paper size from the paper size drop down list. Ninth, in ninth step, click on OK to close the advanced options. And now last step will be confirm the orientation on the layout tab and then click OK to print. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you are facing any issue to print any document or a photo with your printer, click on the support link which is available in video description.